This room is being remodeled into an office, and this fan made a great addition. Comes with this remote. The blade speed can be set at 6 different levels. Has very smooth operation. It also has a light, has temperature, and I really like the sea breeze function, which will have the fan operate at random speeds to simulate natural breeze. Also has timer and power. It's a great fan. 5-star review, easy to assemble and install. The only thing preventing it from being a 5+ fan would be Amazon Alexa or Google support. But even without that, it is a fabulous fan, 5 stars. I really like it and considering buying more. Hope this was useful. Thanks.